Here at Udemy, our mission is to help anyone live the life that they imagine. Now, as an instructor, your courses will change the lives of students around the world. These official Udemy education courses will help you make your course the best it can be. In this course, you'll learn about the final stage of producing your course videos, editing. You'll learn how to use editing to help remove mistakes, making you look more professional and polished. But you'll also learn how to use editing to facilitate learning by using techniques such as annotations and slides. Some easy editing strategies can take your course from good to great, setting you apart from the competition while ensuring that your students have an amazing learning experience. The instructor team here is dedicated to helping you succeed. To make sure that you're getting everything you can out of this course, we encourage you to be an active student. That means taking notes using our bookmark feature, downloading the worksheets, and pushing yourself in activities. Actively engaging throughout the course will help you retain the concepts as we go. This will help guarantee that your course creation process goes smoothly. So, what are you waiting for? Come on and let's go learn some video production fundamentals.